Hello everyone, welcome back to a Falcon RC video. This is just going to be a short video showing how I installed the chassis net on my Traxxas Haas. I started by removing the body, and you don't have to do this part, but I removed the back followed by the front ends of the vehicle to make it easier to access the front and back of the chassis. Next, I moved the chassis guards that also serve as a holder for the body so that I can get the Velcro straps underneath them. The next thing I did was prep the surface of the chassis by cleaning it with a Clorox wipe to get rid of any dust particles that would prevent the adhesive for the Velcro straps from sticking. Followed by test fitting the chassis net, and this is a Raiden Racing chassis net found on Amazon. I will put a link to it in the pinned comment. Next, I started adding the Velcro straps, and the first one I added to the front of the receiver box because the Haas has the receiver box in the front. Here I'm just using a heat gun to melt the adhesive a little bit to give it more ability to stick, which is recommended on the Amazon page. I then repeated this process for the other Velcro straps, which I don't really need to show. With all the Velcro straps installed, I then fit the chassis net over the chassis. It's a fairly simple process of just lining up the Velcro. After fitting the chassis net, I started reassembling the truck. There I was just moving the wheels until the center diff connected with the rear differential. Now to install the front end of the truck. The zippers on this particular chassis net are a little tricky. The one from my brother Slash aren't as difficult to move, but the zippers work just fine, so. Now to reattach the body guards. And it's all done.